video yun? Kuya Nas?
For me, we learned a lot from that video. So, meron siya sinabi yung about the population, the pollution, but also the ano pa ba yun? Yung about sa environment.
Yun, halos nandun na lahat ng social problem. Mention ni Mr. Yoyoy about the population. Even it is entertainment, pero may nalalearn tayo. May nakukuha tayo, ay oo pala. Kahit ine-enjoy natin yung music, nakakatawa siya, may humor, pero at the same time, tumpak para sa social problem, the population. Kung sabi niya, ang tao'y nag-a-addition. Ibig sabihin, time by time, dumadami yung tao. Tapos sabi pa doon sa lyrics, minsan, multiplication. So pag nag-multiply tayo, mas dumadami, di ba? So ganun yung explanation niya. And then ano pa yung mga social problem doon? The graft and corruption. Imagine, this video, based from my research, ito ay kinompost ni Mr. Yoyoy Villame from 1980s pa. Yoyoy Villame, mahapyaw lang, Yoyoy Villame, he's famous on making songs na galing or inspired sa totoong buhay. Example, The Magellan. Although, The Magellan song is not totally accurate, na binubutan ng Jules Magellan, Magellan discovered the Philippines, but more on history, mga na-experience ng bawat tao. Ginagawa niya ito sa Philippine Geography. Marami yung mga natutunan niyo estudyante dahil sa kantang yun, Philippine Geography. So, kung gusto niyo malaman or ma-enjoy at the same time, makatuhan pa rin tayo ng learnings, panoorin niyo ng mga video ni Mr. Yoyoy Villame. Anyway, so, recap lang no, last Tuesday, we tackled about the social problems and current issue in the Philippines. So again, what is social problems? What is social problems? Ate Puga.
Social problems is the problem that the country is facing ngayon and
Okay, sige, thank you very much. So yun na no? Imagine, from 1981 until now, nangyayari pa rin yung corruption, nangyayari pa rin yung overpopulation, nangyayari pa rin yung traffic. Although dito sa Basilan, we are very lucky na hindi natin na-experience yung laksa-laksang traffic unlike Zamboanga City, Manila, Metro Manila. Pero doon sa nila rampant na. Okay, what else? Ano pa yung minention ni Mr. Yoyoy Villame doon? Yung wala pa man siyang mention about the flood control. The climate change. Okay. Anyway, so a social problem is a condition or situation in our society that negatively affects. Ito yung tandaan natin palagi. Yung goal natin, malaman natin yung pagkakaiba ng social problems and current issue. Kailangan nyo yan ma-identify. Negatively affects many people, hindi lamang tao, kundi pati yung mga individual, mga hayop, nature, or even businesses is seen by the community as undesirable or harmful. And this collective action, government, institution, or community to be so. O dito, kasi ngayon, ito yung itatakil natin. What is a current issue? A current issue is a problem, problema siya, concern, or debate that is happening right now. From the word current, ngayon na. And it is widely discussed in society, media, or politics. Give me one current issue. Sa social media lang. Yun ang pag-uusapan talaga ngayon. Even sa TV. Kabarse.
About sa flood control.
About sa flood control. Okay. Very rampant. So, pasok pa siya, timely, yes, public concern, and needs attention din. Same as the social problems. Ito, example, pollution. So, dito, yan yung mga nakakasira sa ating, mag-usapin natin yung picture, ayan, mga basura, plastic bottles. Kahit pupunta lang tayo sa Zamboanga, paglabas natin dyan sa Parola, andyan na yung mga basura. Ayan. Siguro, kasalanan din ng tao. No? Tao yung gumawa, tao din yung makaka-experience niyan. Ayan, as per DENR, 65% of Philippine rivers are polluted. Ayan, recap lang tayo. Ayan, si Era, nag-clean drive, pinus niya lang yung basura. Ayan. Strict enforcement of waste segregation. Promote renewable energy and reduce vehicle emissions. Ayan, sinlagay. Corruption. Naghanap. Sabi nga ni Matt, yung corruption, hindi lang siya applicable sa